The Pixel 8a presents a familiar Google design language with a clean aesthetic and comfortable in-hand feel. Its glass back, though potentially prone to smudges, offers a premium touch. However, the device's thicker bezels compared to some competitors give it a slightly outdated look. The 6.1-inch OLED display is a visual treat, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a responsive 120 Hz refresh rate. While the display's peak brightness is adequate, it could be pushed further for outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the Tensor G3 chip delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and most demanding applications. The AI integration enhances the user experience, from quick app launches to intelligent photo editing. However, sustained high-performance tasks might push the device's limits. Google's AI prowess shines through in the Pixel 8a. Features like Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, and Real Tone elevate the photography experience. Intelligent Assistance is also on point, with features like call screening and voice commands working reliably. The Pixel 8a's camera system is a highlight. The 64-megapixel primary sensor captures impressive detail, dynamic range, and accurate colors. Low-light photography is particularly strong thanks to Google's computational photography magic. The ultra-wide lens, while serviceable, doesn't match the quality of the main sensor. Portrait mode shots are generally good, but edge detection can sometimes be inconsistent. You can record 4K video at 30 FPS. The 13-megapixel selfie camera captures great selfies with natural-looking color and blur. The 4,492 milliampere battery delivers solid battery life, easily lasting a full day of moderate to heavy use. Fast charging is supported, but the absence of wireless charging might be a deal breaker for some. Overall, the Google Pixel 8a offers excellent value for money, with a strong focus on photography and AI. While it might not be a flagship killer, it certainly punches above its weight in the mid-range segment. If you prioritize a clean software experience, a capable camera, and solid performance without breaking the bank, the Pixel 8a is definitely worth considering.